Tegan, do you like your milkshake?
Yeah.
Wait, can you tell Daddy yes without it in your mouth? Tell Daddy what you're drinking.
What are you drinking?
I'm drinking ice cream drink.
An ice cream drink, otherwise known as...
I see it.
I know, show me how you drink your milkshake. Oh, nice. You didn't spill any.
It does purity.
Good job.
Is it all done?
Nope.
You got some left?
Yeah.
Mmm.
You gonna have a little more?
I see it.
Yeah, you always do, brother.
I see.
You kind of ruined the whole, like...
I know. Capturing the moment, impromptu.
You're crashing through the fourth wall, bro.
Let's see it. I see